This is another compound which has been destroyed. The villagers are saying that so much of whatever land you can see here, this was all cultivated land. They were growing sugar, it was a sugar plantation. But now there's no sign of any sugarcane plantation here. It seems like a desert, total desert. Everything has been washed out. Now this person here, he's got a tractor and he's having some work done on his property here. Look at this house here, look at this room. See this. See the amount of sand. See the amount of sand in this room here. This is one of the rooms. Allahu Akbar. Everything is buried underground in the sand. Everything is buried in the sand. I can see a bed there. There's a leg of a bed there. That's it there. That's a leg of a bed. There's a trunk there also. That's a trunk. And then what else? Everything is just buried underground, but in the sand. This is somebody's house, but you can smell, there's a terrible smell here. Seems like, Allah Akbar. The amount of sand in this person's compound, the whole house, because it was a solid house, it got saved, but the sand, I mean, you're talking of a good 3-4 foot sand, mud, covering the whole compound of this house here. Look at this, chefs. Look at this here.
Still living around it. The smell is
a terrible smell here, very bad smell. Seems like the animals have all died, buried under the waters, and they've died. So now because of that, there's a terrible smell here.